When Apple unveiled the M4 Mac Mini, it seemed like just another incremental upgrade. However, after spending some time pushing this tiny powerhouse to its limits, I've uncovered something surprising. It might just be the perfect portable desktop solution for professionals and creatives alike. Let's dive into how the Mac Mini, paired with a creative setup, could replace a MacBook Pro in many scenarios. A new take on portability. Think desktops can't go mobile? Think again. With a Mac Mini, it's entirely possible to have a compact, high-performance workstation that fits into your backpack. Unlike laptops that compromise on performance to stay thin and light, the Mac Mini delivers raw power, perfect for anyone who wants a portable setup without sacrificing efficiency. The question is, how practical is it to use a Mac Mini on the go? To answer that, I tested various setups, from working in a remote cabin to setting up in hotel rooms, and even experimenting with train travel. Spoiler alert, the results were fascinating. The essentials for a mobile Mac Mini setup. Here's what you'll need to make a Mac Mini work on the move. The Mac Mini, M4 or M4 Pro, both models are compact and powerful. The Pro variant offers enhanced graphics performance, making it ideal for video editing and rendering tasks. Portable monitor. I use the Espresso Display 17 Pro, which is lightweight, touch-enabled, and stunningly sharp. Its slim profile makes it perfect for this setup. External storage. The Mac Mini's base storage can fill up quickly. For high-speed external storage, I recommend Thunderbolt SSDs from brands like Lexer or Sabrent. These drives handle large files effortlessly and are reliable for long-term use. Keyboard and mouse. The Keychron K3 Max keyboard is compact, tactile, and reliable. Pair it with a lightweight mouse like the Logitech Pebble, and you're good to go. Power source. A portable power station like the Anker Solix or Bluetti EB3A ensures uninterrupted productivity, even off-grid. Testing the limits. Working remotely. Wilderness workflow. Picture this, a quiet cabin surrounded by nature, with no office in sight. I set up the Mac Mini here to test its offline productivity capabilities. With my iPhone acting as a mobile hotspot, I could join Zoom meetings, edit videos, and even experiment with AI tools like LLMs. The Espresso Display's touchscreen functionality added an extra layer of convenience, allowing me to annotate documents and navigate macOS more intuitively. Surprisingly, the Mac Mini's performance didn't falter, even while running resource-intensive tasks. On a train. Next, I took the setup to a train, a real-world scenario for business travelers. While slightly unconventional, the compact nature of the Mac Mini and its peripherals made it feasible. Using train power outlets, I seamlessly worked on presentations and edited a video. Fellow passengers barely noticed, thanks to the minimalist footprint of the setup. The Mac Mini's quiet operation and the Espresso Display's sleek design proved perfect for confined spaces. Hotel room productivity. Where the Mac Mini truly shines is in hotel rooms. Setting up was a breeze, and within minutes, I had a fully functional workstation ready for editing, writing, or even light gaming. The performance was indistinguishable from a traditional desktop, making it ideal for digital nomads and traveling professionals. Performance that outshines laptops. One of the standout features of the M4 Mac Mini is its unmatched performance in a compact form factor. Compared to laptops, the Mac Mini handles sustained workloads without throttling, thanks to better thermal management. Even the base model outperforms many laptops, including older MacBook Pros, making it a viable choice for demanding tasks like 4K video editing, graphic design, and music production. The Espresso Display. A game-changing addition. The Espresso Display 17 Pro deserves its own spotlight. This portable monitor is not just a companion for the Mac Mini, it's a versatile tool for a variety of devices, including smartphones and tablets. Key features. Portability. Slim and lightweight, it's easy to pack alongside your Mac Mini. Touchscreen. Perfect for navigation and quick edits in macOS, although artists may find the responsiveness slightly lacking compared to an iPad Pro. Universal compatibility. Works seamlessly with macOS, Windows, and even Android devices via Samsung DeX. For business travelers, the Espresso Display is a no-brainer. It transforms any space into a productive workstation, whether you're working on presentations or conducting video calls. Gaming on the go. While the Mac Mini isn't marketed as a gaming machine, it can hold its own with lighter titles. During my testing, I ran games like Civilization 6 and Counter-Strike without hiccups. Pairing the Mac Mini with the right peripherals and an external GPU could even make casual gaming on the move a possibility. Why the Mac Mini makes sense. The Mac Mini's compact design and powerful internals make it a unique product. It offers the flexibility of a desktop with the potential for portability, filling a niche that laptops often fail to address. For professionals who value performance but don't want to carry a bulky laptop, the Mac Mini is an excellent alternative. Its affordability compared to high-end laptops like the MacBook Pro further solidifies its appeal. Is it a MacBook killer? While the Mac Mini can't replace a laptop in every scenario, it's closer than you might think. With the right setup, it becomes a versatile tool that rivals the MacBook Pro in performance and productivity. So, is the Mac Mini a MacBook killer? Maybe not entirely, but it's certainly giving laptops a run for their money.